Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Bob here. Appreciate you stopping by and hope everybody's doing well out there. So quick unboxing for you guys today. I was going to hang on to this one and do it a little later on. I have a few watches coming in this week and planned on doing kind of a big haul video and unbox them all in one go. I still might do that with a couple of the watches, but this one has been sitting on the counter behind me for the past 3 or 4 days and taunting me every time I walk by, so I couldn't take it anymore. We're going to take a look today, and this is actually going to be my first real experience with the brand Christopher Ward. I have seen a few of them at watch get-togethers and that sort of thing, but not for any extended amount of time, so I'm really excited about that. So let's get into the watch. All right, so first of all, a big thanks to Christopher Ward for lending the watch into the channel. It's much appreciated, and I really had a good experience so far with the people that I was dealing with there. Now, I talked to my contact, and we discussed a couple of models, and I believe this is a particular model. I'm 99% sure, but I could be wrong, and it could be a total surprise, but even if it is the model I think it is, I'm not 100% sure on the colorway, so there's at least going to be a bit of surprise with the watch. There's tabs here. Got the Spyderco going today. So let's see. There we go. Move that out of the way. So good packaging so far as shipping packaging goes. Quite a large box. Okay. How does this work? Okay, there we go. Very nice presentation when it comes to the watch, that's for sure. Alright, so it looks like up top we have some paperwork here, and this is warranty card. So on there it says the 60/60 guarantee, and I was reading about this the other day. Basically what Christopher Ward does is they offer you 60 days to return your watch for full refund if you're not satisfied. And if you are satisfied, the watch is covered under warranty for 60 months or 5 years. So that is great that they stand behind their product like that. Definitely gives you a little bit more confidence in making a purchase from Christopher Ward. Next up, and this is a dead giveaway for what we're going to be looking at, and that is the the C60 Trident Pro 600. This is the handbook. So we've got some instructions in here. I believe there's some imagery, some photos of the watch, case back, and next up there is a tab here, and I don't want to give the watch away quite yet which colorway, so I'm going to pull this tab out, cover the watch, and see what's in here. This is a wipe cloth, so it comes with the wipe cloth with the Christopher Ward logo there as well, so that's nice. Definitely totally nailing it with the packaging. I know it costs a little bit of extra money to put together a package like this, but it just feels good. It makes it more fun to me, and I definitely appreciate that when I get a new watch. So let's get to the watch itself. So here it is, and it is the blue, probably my favorite color watch. So that's a bonus, and it is gorgeous. Love the strap. I think this is a hybrid between, I think they might even call this their hybrid strap. It's rubber backed with nylon on the front. Looks really nice. Nice material, and they are quick release too. Get the plastic off here. A little fumble there, but managed to get it. I just love that shade of blue. Love the glossy ceramic insert too, and the action is really nice. Give it a wind. Nice smooth winding action. If I'm not mistaken, I think this is a Salida movement, an SW200. I will confirm. I'll come back with all of the details on the watch. I'm not 100% sure on the dimensions either. I know they do 38, I believe 40 and 42. To me, this looks like a 40, which is a really nice size. But man, there is some good details, some nice polish work there along that beveled edge. Let me zoom in for a second. Really nice case design. Looks like a bit of AR coating. Get a look at the case back. I am very much going to enjoy wearing this. Crown feels great, screws in and unscrews perfectly. And we'll give the bezel one more turn. I'm really liking the handset too. You can see we have the second hand with their trident counterbalance, which is a nice touch. I really like the hour hand with that arrow style. Cool look overall. I've only had this watch for just a few minutes here now, but I'm starting to feel like the hype is real with Christopher Ward. They seem like they're putting out some really nice product, and this one definitely seems to be just that. So I guess I'll close this out with a look on wrist. And there it is, and it is a beautiful watch to look at and wears beautifully too. Right out of the box, the strap is very pliable, so no issues. You're not going to have to break this one in for any amount of time. Going to wear comfortably on wrist straight away and look really good doing it. I just love the style of this watch. I think this would make for a really awesome summer watch. Unfortunately, the weather hasn't been cooperating yet this year. We're getting, I would call, unseasonal weather right at the moment, a little colder than it should be, but it's coming hopefully soon. And yeah, this would be a perfect summer companion, that's for sure. If anybody has any specific questions on the watch, feel free to ask in the comments below, and I'll do my best to address those in the video here in the next few days. So that's going to be it for today, guys. I really appreciate you guys stopping by, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.